If you want to create a professional business landing page on Bluehost with WordPress, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to open your WordPress dashboard, create a new landing page, use a pre-designed layout, customize the page for your business, and publish it live. This is a simple but powerful way to build a page that can generate leads, promote a service, or highlight a special offer without needing advanced design skills. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the main tools for managing your WordPress site. Click on Websites, then find the website you want to work on. If you have more than one site, double check that you're choosing the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong project. Next, click WordPress Admin for your website. This will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard, which is where all of your pages, posts, and site settings are managed. If you've never used WordPress before, don't worry. The dashboard may look busy at first, but the process is very straightforward once you know where to click. Now that you're in WordPress, go to Pages, then click Add New Page. This creates a brand new page that you can design specifically for your business landing page. A landing page is usually focused on one goal, like getting people to sign up, contact you, book a call, or buy a service. That's why it's important to keep the page simple, clear, and action-focused. When the new page opens, give it a name. You can use something like special offer, book a consultation, free estimate, or whatever best matches your business goal. The page title should make sense to your visitors and tell them exactly what the page is about. After naming the page, you're ready to build the layout. To make the process faster and easier, use WonderBlocks to choose a pre-designed layout. WonderBlocks gives you ready-made sections that you can insert into your page without starting from scratch. This is especially useful if you want a polished business landing page quickly. Instead of building every section manually, you can start with a professional template and then customize it to match your brand. Once you've selected a layout, start customizing the content. Replace the default text with your own headline. Your headline should clearly explain your offer and grab attention right away. Then, add a strong call to action button. This might say things like get started, book now, request a quote, or learn more. Your button should tell visitors exactly what to do next. After that, update the services section if your layout includes one. Use this area to explain what you offer, what makes your business different, and why someone should choose you. Keep the wording simple and benefit-driven. Visitors should quickly understand how your service helps them and why it's worth their time. Next, add images that support your message. These could be product photos, business photos, team photos, or any visuals that make your landing page feel more trustworthy and professional. Good images can make a huge difference because they help people connect with your brand and understand what you do at a glance. If your layout includes reviews or testimonials, make sure to add those too. Social proof is one of the most effective ways to build trust on a business landing page. A few short testimonials can show potential customers that other people have had a positive experience with your business. If you don't have reviews yet, you can leave that section out or replace it with trust signals like years of experience, client count, or guarantees. As you're customizing, keep the design clean and focused. A landing page should not feel cluttered or confusing. The goal is to guide visitors toward one main action, so avoid adding too many links, too many sections, or too much text. The simpler your page is, the easier it is for people to understand your offer and take action. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review the page carefully. Check your headline, button text, service descriptions, images, and testimonials to make sure everything is accurate and easy to read. Then click Publish. This will make your landing page live on your WordPress site so visitors can access it right away. And that's it. You've now set up a business landing page on Bluehost with WordPress using a simple workflow that saves time and helps your site look professional. If you followed along, you should now have a polished page that's ready to promote your offer and bring in new leads. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and Bluehost guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.